salut à tous et à toutes, c'est Dirax9, comment allez-vous? Et on se retrouve aujourd'hui pour un autre épisode de la série Elle est Noire. Aujourd'hui, ce sera l'épisode, je crois, 6 ou 7. On va jouer un show latin, mais juste avant ça, petit condensé de ce qu'on a fait à présent depuis le début de la saison. Or, on a fait le département patrouille. On a joué ces quatre enquêtes. Et puis après, on a eu une promotion. On est maintenant dans la brigade de la circulation. Et puis, on a joué la place du Nord. Et on est maintenant rendu à un show latin. Alors, je vais partir en quête. J'espère que ça vous fait toujours plaisir de suivre la série. Et puis ma prochaine vidéo, ça sera plus une vidéo annonce pour vous montrer le choix que vous avez parmi ma bibliothèque où sont tous mes jeux. Alors, vous n'auriez juste attendez, je vais vous laisser regarder la petite séquence toujours du départ.
Short, I'm already late for the DA. First up, Phelps, Bukowski. We got a report of a brand new Packard abandoned in an empty lot off 2nd Street between Olive and Grand. PR is one Oswald Jacobs says the vehicle was dumped in his backyard. There's a patrolman on site. Get down there and see what you can turn up. Any questions? Good, get going.
Alors, bon, pour revenir où j'en étais, où j'en étais déjà. Bon, enfin, je me souviens plus du tout de ce que je disais. Bon, c'est pas grave. Alors, vous avez lu la petite cinématique comme à chaque départ de nouvelle enquête. Alors, ce coup-ci, c'est une voiture volée. Alors, on va se rendre sur les lieux du crime. Par contre, on va attendre mon petit coéquipier. Bon, parfait. C'est parti.
Generally show more compassion. What are you talking about? Adrian dumped on her and was humping the secretary. Margaret should show some pride. Pride comes before a fall, Bukowski. Talking from 2 feet. Phillips, traffic. Officer Houlihan. Cars down the alleyway. Papers. About an abandoned vehicle? Yes, sir. The car has flags. Might be some kind of diplomatic vehicle. Has anyone touched this vehicle since you arrived? No. And that Jacobs bird over there was on station before I got here. We'll talk with him in a moment. Give us some time to look the place over. Sure, take your time. He's a sore-headed little son of a bitch anyway.
Bon, alors on va fouiller la scène de crime comme toujours. Alors la scène, c'est la cour de cet individu qu'on voit assis sur la barre. Peut-être que vous ne voyez pas, mais bref. On va inspecter la voiture. Alors là, il manque un drapeau argentin. D'Argentine. La voiture n'a plus de plaque. Il lui manque une roue ici. On va regarder dans le coffre arrière. Et juste en dessous du volant, la carte grise de notre individu. Alors apparemment, la voiture est au consul général d'Argentine, l'ambassadeur.
It's owned by the Argentinian embassy.
On a fait. Non, d'accord. On va faire le tour. Si je me suis allé. Ah voilà. Il est là l'autre indice.
Combination wrench. Must have used it to remove the wheel lugs.
Bon, on a fait le tour. Juste avant, on va aller contacter le LAPD, le département central.
Phelps, badge 1247.
How could I help, Detective?
Could you run the name Dewey Brothers? Possibly a dealership or car mechanics workshop.
One moment. Dewey Brothers Packard Dealership, 629 Figueroa Street.
Got it. Thank you.
Voilà. C'est parti.
Better see what this Jacobs guy has to say. The car was dumped in his backyard after all. Oswald Jacobs? That's right. What exactly happened here, Mr. Jacobs?
Last night, I was looking out of my window. I like to keep an eye on what's going on.
I can understand that.
You see this empty lot? Damn kids play stickball here. Always breaking my windows. Always asking for their ball back.
Can we get back to the car, Mr. Jacobs?
Don't be impatient, Sonny. Anyway, last night I see this brand spanking new Packard up on bricks.
On va lui demander le témoignage de notre individu impliqué. C'est Oswald Jacob, qui a 65 ans. On va lui demander.
Did you see who stole the Packard?
Hell yes, I did. I saw 3 goddamn Mexicans going to work on it.
Bon. J'ai pas le temps de voir ce qu'il a dit, mais je crois, après les nombres de fois que je l'ai fait, il dit qu'il a vu des Mexicains sur le lieu du crime. Alors pour le moment, il a l'air à dire la vérité parce qu'il nous fixe.
Can you tell us what they were doing?
Using the headlights of an old Ford so they could strip the thing. I yelled out to them, "I'll call the cops." So they loaded up their car and drove off, tooting and hollering and yelling obscenities at me in Mexican.
You speak Spanish, sir?
No, I do not.
Alors on va lui demander les suspects hispaniques. J'imagine que ça veut dire que c'est les Mexicains.
Mexicans left. You didn't go anywhere near the car?
After I scared them off? No, I didn't go anywhere near that car.
Par contre, là, son visage nous dit tout. Par contre, on peut pas dire qu'il ment. Alors, on va mettre un doute.
You went out to the car. Once they were gone, you had to take a look for yourself.
I was curious. Ain't no law against that. So what if I took a look around that car? You can't be accusing me of nothing.
C'est pas faux ce qu'il dit quand même. On peut pas l'arrêter parce qu'il a juste jeté un coup d'œil. C'est pas faux.
Tell me about the car they were driving.
It was an old Ford. I didn't catch the license number.
Alors encore une fois, il nous fixe. Il dit la vérité.
You look like the kind of guy who notices details.
You're right there. The car was old, but it looked brand new. Candy apple red paint job. Stands out a mile.
What exactly did you see them take?
They was working on the tires. That's all that was took.
Bon. Une chose est sûre, ne dis pas la vérité. Par contre, il fait encore le même visage que la dernière fois. On va lui mettre un doute.
Right. So what did you take, Jacobs? You want my partner to pat you down? I found a notebook in the glove compartment. I was going to show you. It's on the chair on my porch. Thank you for your help, Mr. Jacobs. You can speak to Officer Thibault about signing a formal statement. When you get the car out of the way, maybe you could come back and do something about those kids.
Well, how about we bring you an umpire's mask?
Stéphane et ses blagueries de mauvais goût. Alors, le journal appartient à Juan Francesco Valdez. D'accord. John Madsen, numéro de téléphone.
Okay, so we have the owner of the vehicle. Degenerate. I'll run John Madsen by R&I.
Par contre, il a l'air un petit peu gay. Je sais pas si vous me dites la même chose que moi, mais à voir les commentaires, on a des petits doutes. Hein? Visage d'ange, pommade, belle boucle blonde, non, je crois qu'il est gay. On va tourner la page. William Dewey.
Contact details on William Dewey. This looks like business rather than pleasure.
Ah là là. C'est pas tout le monde qui fait le bien. Certaines personnes ont besoin de médicaments. Je crois que lui, il en aurait besoin parce que, franchement, on va contacter la centrale.
Phelps, 1247.
How can I help, Detective?
Can you put me through to Michigan 2458, please?
Connecting you now. Hello, can I help you?
LAPD, ma'am. Can I speak to John Madsen, please?
He's at school, officer. What's this about? Is he in trouble?
How old is your boy, ma'am?
Just turned 16.
Wrong person, Mrs. Madsen. Sorry to disturb. Messages, please.
There's just one message for you, Detective. A four-door Packard, diplomatic license number Paul Robert 706, was reported missing this morning by Juan Francisco Valdez.
Could you have him brought in?
He's already here at Central, Detective. He's demanding an audience, as he calls it.
Thanks. Can you get a message to Captain Leary? Tell him we'll be in as soon as we can. Thanks for your help. Can you cordon off this lot until we have the vehicle impounded?
Yes, sir, Detective.
We'll follow up on the owner. Get a statement from Jacobs, and I'll read your report back at the station.
Par contre, c'est pas moi qui conduis ce coup-là.
Behind the wheel.
On va aller au commissariat.
Do we know where we're going? Bukowski, get over here. Hold on, I'm coming. This has got to be the 50th abandoned vehicle call we have got this year. One more, and I'm going to go crazy. Not your favorite cases? You kidding me? This is barely even police work. All the bad guys in this city, we get lumped with the ones who can't even be bothered to keep what they steal. Valdez into question.
Sure do, Phelps. Your bird's an interview, too. And get this, he's wearing gloves and doing his best not to touch him. Can you beat that? Sounds like we don't want to keep this guy waiting. It's this way.
Je te suis, Stéphane.
About time. Are you the senior officer I requested?
I'm Detective Phelps, and this is Detective Bukowski.
Have you any idea how long I've been waiting to speak with you? I am needed back at the consulate, and you keep me here like a comic criminal.
All right, friend, let's take a deep breath and start all over again.
Mr. Valdez, Consul General, I insist on my full title.
Alors, le mec a 52 ans et il fréquente des personnes de 16 ans. Trouvez l'erreur, messieurs, dames. Nous avons un pédophile. Si on peut dire. Alors, historique de la PAC.
Where did you purchase the car?
My secretary and driver arranged the purchase. A disreputable place, Dewey Brothers, by name. As soon as I can have it arranged, I will have my Hispano-Suiza brought up from Buenos Aires.
Alors, son visage nous dit à peu près tout, hein, comme tout à l'heure. Il regarde un petit peu partout. Alors, on va mettre 2.
Bought a Packard, Valdez. A snob like you doesn't drive an American car. I want answers or I'll smack you around the teeth.
William Dewey offered me a substantial bribe to make a purchase of his establishment. It is not unusual to make this kind of transaction in civil service.
Well, tell that to the Argentine taxpayers.
Alors, vol du véhicule
Consul
consulaire.
General, we have located your car. Can you tell us how it was stolen?
It must have been stolen from the consular garage. Terribly inconvenient, of course. I want the perpetrator soundly flogged.
Unfortunately, we don't do that here, your worship.
Alors, vous voyez, il a essayé de nous amadouer en restant quand même sérieux, mais il faut attendre un peu. Vous voyez qu'il fait encore un petit sourire en coin du visage comme tout à l'heure. Et c'est encore un doute.
You have a pretty good idea who stole the car, don't you, Consul General? Are you going to tell me, or do I shake it out of you?
There's no call for violence. I suspect a disgruntled boy from the car dealership.
You have a name for this kid?
Gabriel, like the archangel. I have no surname.
Je sais pas si vous avez remarqué, mais l'individu s'appelait Gabriel comme dans le cahier, comme dans son cahier à lui. Alors,
So tell us about this kid, Gabriel.
il est un petit peu
Run-in with him?
Mechanic, a presumptuous young man who did not know his place. He presumed to ask me questions.
We do a lot of presuming here in the United States, Consul General. It comes with the turf.
ouais. Alors, moi je vais dire qu'il ment, étant donné que je l'ai
You
déjà
fuck
fait.
young boys, Valdez.
Are you a madman? This will cause an international incident.
Il n'a pas du tout aimé ce que j'ai dit. Mais pourtant, c'est vrai. Alors, on va mettre le carnet, étant donné que son nom était marqué dedans. Et c'est
Danny,
correct.
Ben, Miguel, Tristan, and Teddy. Full lips. Anyone else?
I'm sure we can come to some arrangement.
Gabriel, spill it.
A beautiful but impertinent boy. I mentioned a rendezvous and the young man went quite insane. I thought he was going to kill me. I was prepared to pay.
We'll be in touch, Consul General. Finished with Valdez.
Thank God. I'll get rid of him in a couple of hours.
On va se rendre au domicile. Non, pardonnez-moi. On va se rendre au concessionnaire
Where to?
Dewey Brothers. Dewey Brothers. Pas brodeur, pardonnez-moi.
Mr. Valdez moves in some peculiar circles for an international bon vivant.
Ah, English, please. See, this is why nobody invites you out for drinks.
It's just very industrious of him to be so involved in matters of consular transportation.
All right, you're making it worse now. I think what you're trying to say is that lover boy in there is as full of crap as a Christmas goose.
That as well. Don't tell me, let me guess. You were making your way past the lot, caught sight of the new model 4-door, and couldn't help yourself. You could see yourself in that car and just had to take a closer look. Well, I can't say as I blame you.
LAPD, Mac. We'd like to speak with the owner.
That's me, William Dewey, proprietor, at your service.
We're investigating the theft of a Packard belonging to the Argentine embassy. Are you missing a combination wrench?
I don't know, detective, but I know how we can find out. Follow me. We keep all our tools in here.
Je ne sais,
Mind if we look around?
Be my guest.
je ne sais pas pour vous, mais on dirait que sa mère lui a empêché de manger ses saucissons ainsi que son bacon et ses œufs pour déjeuner parce que il a l'air avoir la gueule il a l'air avoir comment on dit déjà la face de bœuf, malgré qu'il rentre plus ou moins dans son costume. On va arrêter de l'insulter parce que ça va le gêner un
You
petit
sure
peu.
you guys aren't interested in a new car? Huh? Maybe a used
Oh.
car. I have some nice used cars for guys in your wage bracket.
Alors, les rouges sont
Why don't you give us
celles
a
de
little time to
Gabriel Delgado. Ceux-ci sont celles de Paul Kadarwarski, en tout cas. Un nom de famille russe, j'imagine. Comme Stéphane. On va demander si lui connaît plus tard. Alors, là. Ensuite, là. Et
One left.
là. Et il manque celle de Delgado, la 3/4, qu'on a retrouvé sur le chantier. Ben, pas sur le chantier, mais dans la cour de Jacob.
We need diplomatic release.
On a fait à peu près le tour. On va aller reparler au roast beef, allô. Juste là.
If you don't mind, we have a few questions.
Voilà. Bien avec
Packards are great
Valdez.
cars, but this doesn't look like the kind of place favored by foreign embassies. How do you know about this?
I don't know Valdez. The embassy bought the car. All I know is he must know a quality car when he sees one.
Alors, il ment, ça c'est sûr, parce qu'on a deux preuves contre lui. On a, attendez, le carnet que son nom était marqué et le consul général a dit qu'il avait accepté un pot de vin de sa part. Alors, j'imagine qu'il l'a rencontré en personne.
And I know a shyster when I see one. You and Valdez are in this together.
Me and Valdez? I hardly know him. Valdez wouldn't wipe his shoes with me.
Alors, on va lui mettre, le carnet. Tiens.
We found your contact details in Valdez's notebook. You had to be calling me for something to him.
Okay. So I met Valdez in a bar. We cut a deal. He bought the car through the embassy. I cut him some change on the side. It happens all the time.
où se trouve Delgado.
Where can we find Delgado?
I don't know. Sure as hell isn't here.
Par contre, on ne peut pas dire qu'il ment, on va lui mettre un doute.
Address, Dewey, or my partner shoves her head in a car door.
Okay, all right. Apartment 3, 103 Hill Street. And tell him from me, if he ever shows his face around here again, I'm gonna kick his butt from here to Kingdom Come.
On reste poli, mon gros. Clé mixte, pardonnez-moi, utilisée lors du vol de voiture.
A wrench from this dealership was used to strip the wheels from a Packard last night, Mr. Dewey. A couple of Hispanics were seen taking parts.
We've had a spate of thefts ourselves. Comes with the location. Leaving bastards to steal anything the minute your back is turned.
Elle a l'air assez sérieux, mais détrompez-vous, il fronce les sourcils. Alors on va mettre la même chose que tout à l'heure. On va mettre un doute. Et effectivement, c'est ça.
Dewey? Spill it. You don't want the LAPD getting too interested in this place.
So I hire a few illegals. It's cheaper than hiring returning GIs. They have less attitude. Downside is, they're a little light-fingered.
Thank you for your help, Mr. Dewey.
No problem. God damn that kid. I'm just an honest car salesman. Seems like you just don't know who you can trust these days.
Going to movies, Dewey, you're missing your calling. Time to visit Gabriel Delgado, see how good his excuse is. You can drive.
On va prendre au domicile de Delgado. Mais juste avant, je dois vous montrer un truc. On peut changer le costume de notre personnage. Tout ça. Alors, je crois que je vais mettre celui-là. Alors, on va mettre dur à cuire comme ça. Ça sera un petit peu plus... pas un petit peu plus fraîchier, mais disons, je serai meilleur quand je vais devoir me battre, parce qu'on se bat quand même souvent. Quand on fait... quand on nettoie les petits délits.
Well, that's clear as mud. The third dimension, Z. So, things will be popping out of the screen. That's ridiculous. Scare people out of the theater. God's name would want that. I don't know. People scoff at the idea of talking to color. Look what we have now.
Étant donné qu'on va devoir enquêter encore une fois, et on est déjà rendu à plus de 8 minutes de vidéo, de 28 minutes, désolé, de vidéo.
Yeah,
LAPD, ma'am. We're looking for Gabriel Delgado.
Gabriel?
We're from the police. Policia, you understand?
Yes, I understand. Would you come inside?
What is your name?
Ana Rodriguez.
Is Gabriel Delgado here, Ms. Rodriguez?
No. What do you want with Gabriel? Is he in trouble?
Stay where you are, Ms. Rodriguez. We need to take a look around.
But he is not here. I have told you.
Check out the surrounds. I'll stay with the broad.
On va chercher.
So how far along are you,
Et est-ce que vous reconnaissez le drapeau, mes amis? C'est le même drapeau qu'on a retrouvé sur la voiture qui était brisée. On a déjà une preuve qu'il habite vraiment ici.
You are wrong about Gabriel. He will be a good father. Already he works hard to provide for us.
Unless you come with us here again, your little one won't see Papa for a very long time.
J'imagine que ça doit être la même voiture quand même, parce que bon, elle est peut-être pas rouge, mais bon, faut savoir deviner un peu.
Serving breakfast for two, should have cleared up.
On va aller jeter un petit tour à l'extérieur. Dans la remise. Oh, ça sert strictement à rien. Et regardez la plaque diplomatique qu'on cherchait tout à l'heure.
Diplomatic license plates.
Et voilà, c'était la plaque suspecte. Voici des pneus de la Packer qu'on a retrouvé volés.
Looks like Valdez gets his wheel back.
Et on a fait le tour. Alors, on va aller reparler à Madame Rodriguez, qui est en haut chez elle.
You're in serious trouble, Miss Rodriguez.
But Gabriel is not here. I have done nothing wrong.
Motif pour le vol du véhicule.
Why did he steal the car, Anna?
The customer insulted him. He has his honor, no?
Par contre, elle a l'air à dire quand même la vérité, malgré qu'elle est un petit peu secouée. On va mettre vérité, et c'est
His
justement
honor,
ça.
Anna?
He said to his friend, tried to make a woman out of him. He no longer respects this man doing. He took the car to show this maricon that he is a man.
Et dernier contact avec Gabriel.
Tell us the truth, Anna. Has Gabriel been here?
I haven't seen him for at least 3 nights.
Elle dit qu'elle l'a vu depuis 3 nuits, mais souvenez-vous, dans la cuisine, on a trouvé 2 assiettes. J'imagine qu'elle ne l'a pas mangé comme 4 à la grosseur qu'elle a. On va dire qu'elle ment.
You keep lying to me, and I'll send you and your baby to jail.
He lives here, but he hasn't come home. I swear it.
On va lui dire qu'il y a des assiettes de petit déjeuner pour 2.
Enough, Anna. There are signs all over this place that he's been back.
He was here last night. I have never seen him so angry. He went out to his shed and put some things in it. I don't know what and I don't want to know. I love him.
We found a license plate matching our stolen vehicle in the shed. Add in the assortment of parts, and we can make Gabriel for a dozen other thefts. It's time to get serious, Anna.
You must ask these questions of Gabriel. I know nothing of these car parts.
Bon. Par contre, je crois que c'est un turn doute. On va lui mettre ça, attendez que je m'en souviens plus du tout.
Then tell
bon,
us where
c'est
he
ça.
is. If your baby is born in prison, Anna, the corrections officers will take it from you. You will see your son or daughter through a metal grate for half an hour a week.
The start line is on 1st and Santa Fe. There is a spillway under the bridge that leads to the river. Many policia have wrecked trying to follow him.
We'll put in a good word for you, Anna. As far as we're concerned, this sits with Gabriel.
J'imagine que les policiers ne s'appelaient pas
Star.
Cole
That
Phelps.
sounds like a street race to me.
Allons arrêter ce Delgado. Parce que là, il me fait chier. Allez, hop, Stéphane. Embarque dans la Batmobile.
Coming, Stefan? Okay, partner.
Attention. Bien. On va aller plus vite comme ça. Tout comme ça, on va l'enlever. C'est plus énervant que d'autres choses. Yo.
Quick as we shut one of these races down, another one springs up somewhere else. Kids used to steal cars to sell them. Now they just want to wrap them around a rat nose. The next 16-year-old I have to peel off the sidewalk, you're calling. I've had enough of those to last me a lifetime.
on est arrivé
There's the red Ford.
à la
That's Delgado
destination.
right there.
On est maintenant, petit transfert de jeu, on est maintenant rendu dans Rapide et Dangereux en 1947.
Requesting assistance at first and
Par contre, les joueurs sont pas très bons.
Stay on Delgado.
Toi, dégage, dégage, voilà. Bon. L'autre con est en train de se barrer. Toi, dégage, voilà. Oh. Là, c'est enfoiré. Aïe.
Get in the way.
On va pouvoir me semer si rapidement. Détrompe-toi, mon cher.
Step on him, Phelps. Take him out. We're gonna find Alto. God damn it, Cole. Hold it steady. Come on, get three legs. Get the red Ford. Gabriel Delgado, you're under arrest for grand theft auto. Fuck you, puto! You just speak to the maricón. Valdez, I showed him. Now who's the man? I should burn his fucking car. You got a foreign dignitary outed as a fruit and a kitty raper. A car dealer we're gonna let slide for the kickback. And a street punk car people.
Je ne sais pas pour vous, mais notre patron, tout le monde dit qu'il ressemble à une vedette de cinéma. Non, un acteur. Je sais pas si vous avez remarqué. Par contre, je ne sais pas le nom. Mais bon. Alors, j'espère que vous appréciez cette petite vidéo sur les Noirs. Les prochaines vont sans doute apparaître d'ici peu. En attendant, prenez soin de vous. Salut à tous.